Listen to the beautiful sounds. Ever wonder what the dogs are saying? Is it too quiet for you? And it's getting quiet. It's helpful. I'm reading John 16 right now. It's hard for me to read aloud from John. For some reason, the grammar is really tough for me, so it's easier for me to read in my head. And sometimes when I get distracted, I have to read out loud. But I might be able to share a verse or two with you, but it's hard for me to read the entire chapter with you, so I'm sorry that I don't do that. But here's John 16:19. Now Jesus knew that they were desirous to ask him, and said unto them, Do ye inquire among yourselves of what I said? A little while, and ye shall not see me, and again a little while, and ye shall see me? Verily, verily, I say unto you, that ye shall weep and lament, but the world shall rejoice, and ye shall be sorrowful, but your sorrow shall be turned into joy. Ooh, check this one out. Verse 21. A woman, when she is in travail, hath sorrow, because her hour is come. But as soon as she is delivered of the child, she remembereth no more the anguish for joy that a man is born into the world. Listen to the wind. And here's the last two verses of the chapter. John 16, verses 32 and 33. Behold, the hour cometh, yea, is now come, that ye shall be scattered, every man to his own, and shall leave me alone. And yet I am not alone, because the Father is with me. These things I have spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. In the world ye shall have tribulation, but be of good cheer, I have overcome the world. And that word tribulation has a little t, not a capital T, as in the Great Tribulation. So we all have trials and tribulations daily. But when we are taken up, when Jesus Christ comes back to get his children, to get his bride, to get his church, the true believers, we will be overcomers, just as he overcame the world. Check out those beautiful clouds. Soon we'll see him in the clouds. I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but that's okay. Jesus knows. He knows the future. Hey, I'm done reading my chapter. I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed the sounds of the birds and the wind, the dogs, and maybe some chatter of the people. All right, and the fly buzzing around. All right, love you guys.